Unary operators in Kotlin. So here is the list of unary operators. So expression is plus, which is unary plus, and expression will be written as say plus a, and it will be translated internally to call this method, that is a dot unary plus. Remember, u will be in the lower case and p will be in the upper case. We know that unary operators are those operators which will require a single operand to be operated on. Otherwise, we can have the binary operators, where this plus can also be used as binary operators, where two operands will be given and there it will be doing the addition. Next one is minus. So unary minus. So invert sign, and it can be expressed in this way. The expression will be minus a. In that case, a dot unary minus, this function will be called internally. In this way, we have given the list of all unary operators. So let us go for one demonstration where we will be using these operators in our Kotlin code, and we shall show you that how to write the code and how to compile it and run it. So here is the demonstration for you. In this demonstration, we are going to discuss unary operator. So here we have defined three variables. My var1 has got initialized with 500. So my var1 has got implicit data type int that can be observed using shift and control and p. So here you see we are getting this int here. So my var2 must be of the type boolean because I have assigned false to that my var2, and my var3 should be also of the type integer. So that's why int is getting displayed. So here we are having other two variables have been defined. So my result is equal to my var1 dot unary minus. So if you go for unary minus, say unary, so just go for enter, you can go for unary minus. So that value will be assigned to my result, and my result is getting printed. My var2 is containing initially false. So if we apply this one as not, then I shall be getting true to get assigned to my boolean result. And here this my var3 is initially is having value 100. So my var3 dot increment, so I'm expecting the value to get printed here is 101. So now I'm just showing you that how the program got typed actually. So now let me go for the execution. Here the value is minus 500 because unary minus is there, true is there, and here we are having this 101, that is 1 has got increased. If I want to know more details about this unary minus, that from which class this particular unary minus came, so just press Ctrl and click, Ctrl and click. So here we are opening this primitives.kt. So primitives.kt is the respective file has got opened. Now if you can move to the top, so here the class name is byte. So it is having so many different functions defined. Next class name is short. Next class name is our int. Next we are going to get this one as long. This is my float. This is the double. All these classes are defined here. So if you go for say int, if I go for expansion of this class body, then I'm getting all these things are defined. Compared to is defined here. We are going to have that plus, minus with different types of arguments. What are the return arguments we are expecting, then times for the product, then div, everything will be available here. So you can go through this primitives.kt. So how to get it? Just on this unary minus or any other function which are residing in that particular primitives kt, just press Ctrl and click using the mouse, left click, and in this way you are going to reach to them. Okay, now if you go for this not, and if you go for Ctrl and then click, then this boolean kt will get opened, and here you'll be getting this and, or, zor, compared to, and not. These functions are defined under for the class boolean. So in this way we are getting. So now you see, in place of this calling these functions, we also can put the operators directly, and these operators will in turn will call those functions. So not is there, So I'm using this operator, and increment is there, so I'm using this operator. So we are going to observe the same output, that is minus 500 true and 101. So I'm going for the execution. So here minus 500 has got displayed, then true has come, and then 101 has come. So in this way we have discussed how to use unary operators and how to use their respective functions. Thanks for watching this video.